Hi, my loves. Let me share with you this amazing DIY of making rice hair conditioner at home. Yes, this conditioner works great wonders for frizzy and dry scalp. Yes, if your hair is dry, then try this conditioner and thank me later. So the very first ingredient to be using here is rice. Rice, obviously, when you ferment rice in water for few hours, it develops special cells that fortify the scalp, right? So go ahead and measure out the quantity of rice as seen and then wash out the dust on the rice. Okay, make sure you wash it out, wash out the dust, and we have it here, right? So the next ingredient I'll be adding is this rose. I really love adding this in any of my DIY because it makes my hair, I don't know if it's only my hair, but it kind of make my hair soft. If you have a strong hair, try adding rosemary on your DIY and then yeah, you'll see the changes. So just wash out your rose. Did I am I calling it rosemary? No, your zobo leaf, Jare. Yeah, wash it and then add to your mixture, right? If you don't have this, you can use a rosemary like I was calling it, So yeah, I'm gonna just soak it, and then you know that when you ferment rice water, it's developed this special yeast called patara. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, but this yeast reverse damaged hair. It helps all those damages caused by relaxer and chemicals. This when you format it, the yeast in this rice helps a whole lot. And the next thing I went ahead to put is your coconut cream. Just blend everything together like so, and then sieve it out. Right? Make sure you sieve it out to have your conditioner. So we'll have it here, and the next ingredient I went ahead to add is your vitamin E, right? This is optional though, but this vitamin E, I love using it a whole lot because there is this what's it called? There is this fragrance it adds to my mixture, and then I added my argan oil. Argan oil helps in nourishing um the hair, and it also strengthens hair follicle. Adding your aloe vera. Aloe vera helps in controlling splits, ends, and tangles. If your hair always cuts your and the ends of your hair is not strong, this aloe vera will help. So this mixture, this deep conditioner is so very very effective, and as simple as it is, your deep conditioner treatment is ready. Okay, now to apply, I went in to pour it into my applicator bottle and then cut a section of my hair and I started applying. Right? Is that simple, Abby? Yes, I know. So with these few steps of mine, you can make yourself a very effective deep conditioner within few minutes, right? Yeah, go ahead and do yours and thank me later. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. I wanted this video to be very, 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 very short, and I achieved it. Thank you guys for watching. I will be leaving now. Just go ahead and apply your deep conditioner. When you apply your deep conditioner, before I leave, let me tell you what to do. When you apply your deep conditioner, walk in section as you can see, cut your hair, walk in section. When you're done, just use cover up the hair and sit with the deep conditioner for like 30 minutes, then you wash out. That's exactly what I did, and yeah, your girl is ready and wash out in 30 minutes, guys. Thanks for watching. I will be leaving now, and to see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.